Hey guys, what's up? All right, so I'm going to Modernism Week, but just for the weekend. So I'm headed out now. It's kind of rainy, a little later start than I thought I was gonna get. It's 1:18 p.m. now. So what is up, guys? All right, headed to Modernism Week. And I've never been before. It's actually the first weekend of Modernism Week, so I'm checking it out. I'm super excited. It opens up a bunch of homes that designers have redone and worked with to create these showroom spaces to check out. I'm bringing my Scentbird along, who I've partnered with to do a 3-month subscription if you guys want it to win. So basically what you need to do that is to be subscribed to me here, like me and like Scentbird on Instagram, and then comment and tell me why you want it, and you can get a bunch of fragrances. They have unisex, man, woman, and this one I have is Stella by Stella McCartney, and it's perfect for travel or just to keep in your purse and to try different ones out because it's easy and it fits in there and it's in a little thing and won't spill all over your stuff. All right, let's do this. So we got here last night and we went to one party and we went to Sherman's Delicatessen, which was incredible. So today, day 2, how many houses do we have? 3 houses.
3 houses.
3 houses, and then we're gonna try and hit up a little thrifting in between because let's get into this, get this morning started. I'm in a meditation class. I feel peaceful now. But the sun is so nice here and it's so warm. Time to get my celery juice on.
I have 2 things of kombucha and a celery stalk.
I wish I had a spoon. Okay, we're headed in for our first house on Saturday. Right, Ariana? What's this one called again?
This one's called the Green Gables.
one of 2 original Frey houses, and it's one of the only ones that's completely intact. And this behind here is a refrigerator. It's so cool. I've never seen a refrigerator like this. So it's kind of nice to see a home that is not redone, but restored.
That restaurant's not there anymore.
Yeah, it's been replaced by the church show. One is a 57 T-bird. That's mine.
I love it. I noticed the
The
T-bird.
one next to it is a 57 Porsche. It belongs to an architect. Oh yeah. So Raymond Cree is the developer of the house who hired Ray to build it. He did 7 or 8 other pads on this. The actual electrical for these lamps are in the floor. Told me he had inherited the house. I kind of scratched my head.
I know what it looks like.
Just completed a 2-year restoration, so on this property that he was going to develop. Well, the total investment on the restoration.
Okay, we're about to go on a bike tour.
Yes.
We wound up at the bar.
How did that happen? I mean, that's weird.
It's so weird.
So weird. There was like a magnet.
Weird. It started sprinkling, it got really cold, so we decided not to ride bikes, which I'm actually really, really disappointed about, but we're driving our door tour. So this is what we're doing. So these are all the door colors. And this is a little door map. My navigator.
And we have a great photo op out here.
Okay, so this house was built in 1958. It was Gene Autry's house he purchased with his first wife. His second wife lived here actually until 2010. So 1958, Gene Autry. It's really fabulous. Let's check it out. Okay, this is by far my favorite bathroom. I hope you guys liked it. Let me know your favorite part in the comments below. If you want to know my favorite part, it's probably all the windows and everything that opens up to the yard. Like, that's my dream in life. I don't care if it's even mid-century modern or what type of house. I want a courtyard. I want all the doors to open up out, and I want nature and interiors to meet as one. Oh, and remember, win 3 months of Scentbird perfume. Check them out. I'll link to everything. You have to subscribe to me here, and you have to like me on Instagram, and you have to like Scentbird on Instagram. So let me know what you guys want to win. It's awesome. See you next time.